Alexandria, 1st century AD, the world's capital of ideas.
Heron, engineer, mathematician, inventor, and problem solver.
Heron saw a problem. Worshippers needed a fair way to receive holy water. What if a coin could control the flow of holy water?
Heron was on to something new, never seen before.
Insert coin, water flows. Coin slides off, valve resets.
Miracle!
A 2,000-year-old control system. Weight, gravity, leverage, valves. From temples to terminals, Heron of Alexandria started it all.
Heron of Alexandria had engineered the first vending machine.
Heron of Alexandria. Great ancient problem solving and engineering.